Hello everyone. I hope you all are awesome and doing great. Here is another lesson for you, and I welcome you all with a very big heart in this lesson. In today's lesson, we will understand about plastids, vacuole, cell division, and of course we'll see difference between plant cell and animal cell. So let's get started. Children, plastids are organelles present only in the plant cells. They contain pigments. They are covered with a double layered membrane and their shape varies from round to filamentous. They contain their own DNA and ribosomes. Plastids are of two types, chromoplasts and leucoplasts. Chromoplasts are colored plastids. Let's discuss about chloroplasts first. Chloroplasts are disc-shaped plastids which appear green due to presence of photoreceptor pigments, chlorophyll. Chloroplasts are present in leaves, in green stems and sepals. They are vital for the manufacture of food and help plant to trap solar energy. Thus, they are involved in the photosynthesis of food. And are also called as the kitchens of the cells. Here you can see the structure of chloroplast taken with the help of an electron microscope. You'll find disc-shaped structures which are called as thylakoids. Chlorophyll remains present in the membrane of thylakoids. Pile of thylakoids is called as granum, which is site for photosynthesis also. Light reaction occurs here. You will see stroma also, in which these structures are embedded. Chromoplasts also contain pigments of other colors also, such as red pigments called as lycopene, orange red pigments called as carotene. You can see it in carrot. Red pigments can be seen in case of tomatoes. Yellow pigments called as xanthophyll. You can find it in papaya also. Violet pigments called anthocyanin. Very good example is beet. These colorful pigments provide color to fruits, petals of flowers, etc. Next type of plastids are leucoplasts. They are white or colorless plastids and found in the roots and underground stems such as potato and ginger. They store food like starch, proteins and fats. Some leucoplasts turn into chloroplasts when exposed to sunlight. Let's see function of plastids. Chloroplasts trap solar energy and thus participates in the manufacture of food for the plant during the process of photosynthesis. Chromoplasts containing other colorful pigments impart various colors to flowers to attract insects for pollination. You can very well understand importance of pollination. Leucoplasts store food in the form of starch, fats, and protein. Let's see another structure present in the plant cell. This is vacuole. Vacuoles are membrane-bound storage sacs which are present in the cytoplasm of mature plant cell. They store minerals, sugars, carbohydrates, organic acids, metabolic wastes, etc. in solution. The membrane around the vacuole is called as tonoplast, and the liquid which is present inside it is called as cell sap. Let's try and understand another term which is called as cell inclusion. Children, a plant cell contains various non-living substances which are the products of its metabolic activities. These substances as a whole actually are called as cell inclusions. They include various types of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and oils, and some waste products also like resins, gums, and mineral crystals. Next is very important topic, cell cycle. Cell cycle is the process by which a parent cell gets divided into two or more new cells which are called as daughter cells. It usually occurs as a part of larger cell cycle. Cell division can be mainly of two types, mitosis and meiosis. Let's see these one by one. Mitosis. The term mitosis is derived from mitos, which means thread, referring to the chromatin thread. Mitosis was discovered by W. Flemming in 1882. In this type of cell division, somatic cells gets divided. Here one parent cell divides into two identical diploid daughter cells having same number of chromosomes as the parent cell. This cell division gets completed in one stage itself. Mitosis is the equational type of cell division. Meiosis. The term meiosis is derived from meion, which means to lessen, referring to the reduction of chromosome number. Meiosis was discovered by Farmer and Murray in 1905. This type of cell division occurs in reproductive cells wherein one parent cell divides into four daughter cells, it having the number of chromosomes half than that in the parent cell. That is, they are haploid cells. It gets completed in two stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis is considered as the reduction division. Let's see importance of cell division. Children, mitotic cell division helps to grow, to replace old, dead, and injured cells in the body of an organism. Asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms such as amoeba also occurs through mitotic cell division. Meiotic cell division helps in reproduction as it occurs in reproductive organs, leading to the formation of male and female gametes. It occurs in testis and ovary in case of humans to produce sperms and ova, whereas it occurs in anthers and ovary in flowering plants to produce pollen grains and ovules. We have reached to the last topic of this lesson, that is difference between plant cell and animal cell. Here is the table which presents difference between plant cell and animal cell. The very first column tells us about the feature on the basis of which we can differentiate between plant cells and animal cells. The first feature is size. Plant cells are usually larger in size. Animal cells are smaller as compared to the plant cells. Cell wall. Plant cells have a definite cell wall made up of cellulose, whereas in case of animal cells, there is no cell wall at all. Cytoplasm. In plant cells, cytoplasm is not so dense. In animal cell, it is denser and more granular. Arrangement of cytoplasm. Only a thin lining of cytoplasm is present in plant cells, and mostly it is pushed to the periphery. In animal cells, cytoplasm fills almost the entire cell. Plastids. Plant cells contain plastids. No plastids are present in animal cells. Centrosome. Centrosome actually is a structure which helps in cell division. It is present only in the animal cell, but plant cells lack it. Vacuoles. Single large, prominent, centrally located vacuole is present in the plant cells. Vacuoles are usually not present in plant cells, and if present, they are small and temporary in nature and concerned with their excretion or secretion function. So with this, we have come to the end of this lesson. For more lessons, keep watching, keep learning, and stay happy. Bye-bye.